Hello there. Right guys, finally, after getting my milling machine fixed, I finally got round to making this adjustable workbench for my grinder. Excuse me. It's totally adjustable in a horizontal movement and a vertical movement. So we've got a pivot point here to tilt this forward, and also a pivot point which are both locking to rotate it and also go higher and lower. I'll just show you what I mean, it's probably easier. This is not my design, by the way. This is you get these files free off the internet from DC Knives. Dan's done a great job on this. You just got to convert it from imperial to metric. So this is the tool arm. We're locked in. This is one of his grinders I built as well, by the way. So we can move it forwards and backwards, and then I just loosen that off. We can drop him down, and then we can move him right round like that, out of the way, so then I can do my freehand grinding if need be. Another bonus we've got, so I pull the tooling arm out, tilt the grinder over, put the tooling arm back in, and then release this side, and that'll take me up to do my grinding this side, just like that. So I can do it, I can use it vertically and horizontal. So yeah, that's a big bonus. And the steel I've used is all aluminium. This is 8mm by 400 by 6 inches, I think it is, 150mm I think. The tooling is 19mm bar, mild steel. This is 1.5 by inch, and also 1.5 by inch, and 1.5 by an inch as well. And they're just locked down with these adjustable gripping handles. And for the swivel, I've got an M10. I don't know if you can see that, can you? Yeah, right. So on the swivel, I've got an M10 with a through hole there, and then it's tapped into there, secured via a grub screw there. So it's gonna come in handy, this. There is another adjustment I'd like to make, and it'll probably be on this end of the tooling arm, the one underneath here. You're not gonna be able to see it well, let's say this tooling arm, but on the actual adjustable, was that so I don't have to take it out, was actually rotate it. So I'm going to try and work on a design for like an elbow on this 38 by 38, 1.5 by 1.5 tooling arm. Then I won't have to take this out, this can stay locked in, but I'll just rotate it via the tooling arm, because when it comes to stuff like this, we are lazy, you know. So yes, I'm well happy with it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.